Now I am going to work with comment section, and in order to work with comment section, I am going to show you something. You see, these are the comments. Comments mean any person can send the comments, his photo, his name. If he has email, then from his email the photo will come. That means I will use the gravatar photo system here. So this comment will be also shown here, and the date when the person commented will be shown here. For this reason, I am going to create two tables. One is comment and another one is reply. You see, these are the main comments, this one, and under each main comments there are multiple replies. So this is my system and I will work with this. And here leave a reply, that means comment or reply anything. That means you will have to give your name here and email here and also comment here. Then click on submit. So I am going to create tables first. So I am going to create two tables. One is for comments and another one is for reply. So if I create table for comments, what are the fields? The fields here are the normal ID, then the post ID, under which post the comment is going to be published, then there will be name, email and comment. So after that there will also be a published date and the comment status, because when any person will give a comment, admin will first approve that. So total 7 fields will be here in this way. So I give here like this. First one is ID, then the next one is post ID, and after that there will be name, there will be email, and there will be content. That means comment or something like that, I can call it the content. And there will be published date, when the comment was published, and lastly it will be a status. So a status can be here varchar 20. This one is primary auto increment, it is integer, name is varchar, email varchar, content will be text is okay, varchar 255, and date time will be, this is date, and others are okay. So I am now going to click on save. You will see the comments table has been done or created. Similarly, I will create another table. I am going to do that now, to work with that now, that is copy table to replies. So I will create another table, that is replies. So open that table here also. So replies table, I just copied the comment table. Here one extra field will be after the post ID, that is the comment ID. So here I write comment ID. So click on save, because each reply will be under any particular comment. That means each reply will be under any particular comment. So it is okay, and now I am going to work with it. The comment system is into the post.php, and here I am going to search where is the form. There is a comment form. So this is the comment form area, this one and this one. Form starts from here. I write here a method equal to post, and here name, placeholder name, and here it will be name equal to name, and the email here will be name equal to email, and for this it will be name equal to content. So after submit it will go to where, here I will give a name to the button, that is form comment. So form comment means you are going to submit the comment and it will save into the database. So in the top I am going to do what, it is showing the blog post data is okay. I can call it here. So PHP if, then is set, then post of form comment, if this is okay. Now here I will use the try and catch. Catch will be the exception, and this will be like this. I am now going to take it into a variable. That means error message equal to this, session error message equal to this, header location. It will come to take me to the post of that means the base URL, that is the post.php slug equal to request. This is the current page, and then exit. And in the try, if there is the name is empty, so if post of name equal to empty, name is required, email required, content required. Otherwise I am going to put the data into the database, so insert something like that. So this is the basic thing that I am going to show you, but if you want you can check many type of validation here. So it actually depends what type of validation you will apply here. So this is very basic, and here one thing is, when you insert the data into the comments, then you should send an email to the admin, right? So I will do that, but here I am going to fix for the comment table. That means here I will write the comments, and in the comment table there is a name, email, content, but there are more. Probably I am going to check. Post ID is another one, name, email, content, publish date, status. So first one is post ID, and there is a publish date and status. So how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 4 5 6, it is showing the publish date as now, but here you can write date of current date equal to this, no time needed, only the date. So here it will be placeholder. So 6 items. So this is the request of slug is the post. I need the post ID, but it is the slug. No, it will not be the slug. Here you see the post data. So I am going to apply a trick. I am going to call this after this item. So I have the post data in my hand. I get the post information by slug, but post data ID is in my hand, that is the post ID. So apply here post data of ID. Then there is a name, post name, email, post email, content, this publish date equal to current date, and status is here. What will be the status? You can write the status, comment is pending, that is okay, pending and approved, for example, these two. So after inserting all the data into the comment table, then my task is to get the admin data. For example, PHP select, because I will send the email to the admin. So admins where ID equal to here 1, because I have only one admin now. So here I write that is the admin data, and instead of face all, it will be only the face, and I am going to delete all other things. Now I will send the email, and in order to send the email, I am just now going to the forget password or any other page. In the top I will have to call this one in order to send the email like this, and then email sending code is given here, this code. So copy it, and I am going to write here, that is this one. Here there is a email message. What message I will send in email? A new comment has been posted on your blog post. So if you want to show that, you can show it here, something like that. In this way you can show, please review the comment in your admin panel, and if you want you can send the admin panel link, but I do not have any admin panel link here now, because I did not work with the comment section yet. So when I will do that, you can then only apply this. Otherwise this is okay, name, email, content, current, it is okay. So this is the email message, and here is I am going to give my subject line as new comment notification, and here the admin email I will give it here, that is admin data of email. So the mail will be sent and then success message will be there. Your comment has been submitted successfully, awaiting for approval. That is okay, and other things are okay like this. So now let's do that. I am going here, refresh, you see comment table empty now. Now I will give a comment, submit. If you do not give anything, it will give an error. So I am now going to put the name, for example Smith, or here I can give here Peter. For example, Peter is the person, so he is going to give the comment peter@example.com, and this is a very nice website, and click on subject. You see publish date is not here. What is the problem? I am going to check it here, data is inserted or not. No. So here is publish date. So publish date, here I can write published date. So it is okay, I think. Or if you publish date or publish date is better, right? So this is okay. That I will have to fix here where I inserted the data, that is the publish date. Now again try it, Peter, and here is peter@example.com. This is a very nice website. Just click on submit. You see it is going to be submitted. Here the comment is added and pending, and after submission your comment has been submitted and awaiting for approval, and it is okay. Now I am going to check my comments table. Here this is post ID 5, because you know this is my Slack, the ID is 5 here, and name is this, email is this, content is this, publish date is this, status is this. So what I will do is, here after publishing the comment, it should be shown here, right? So I am going to give you see the reply can be also sent by the another user. It is possible, but before going to work with the reply, I am going to publish another comment. For example, I am going to publish another person comment here in the same post. So here write Peter and Brandon, for example, Brandon@example.com. Awesome post. This is a very nice practical post. I will follow this. So you can just put another post like this, submit. You will see in the mail the admin will remove this one, admin will get this one. Okay, new comment, who commented like this. This is another comment, I just have added this, so it is like this. Okay, please review the comment in your admin panel. So this is the thing. Here you can add an extra beer if you want, that is okay. And here if you want, you can add a I, and here I you can add. So it is okay. Now I am going to check into here. You see both the comments are pending. So when any comment is pending, admin should approve that comment first, otherwise the comment will not be shown into here. So in order to show to see all the comments, here admin, I can go to the admin panel, and here I can create comment.php, so you can see all the comment. So in the comment.php, I am going to copy area view, for example, paste it here. So all comments, and here I will show all the comments like this. So in order to show all the comments, here actually name, email, and another one is content, the comment date, so publish date, and another one is status. So here this, sorry, so it is status. Oh sorry, what I had this is status. Okay, so here I am going to check the post. So post title I will show here. So select all. You see it is suggesting me something. If I do that, what is happening? here is select c.all. That means the auto suggestion is sometimes become irritated here. I remove all the things here. Post again. Now select all from who is the main table. Here comments. So comments is the main table in my case. Okay, and here I will join, that is the post table, because post ID is in my hand. So after joining the post table, you see from comments it is table name C, and post it is table name P. Now on c dot post ID, equal to p dot id. So this is okay, and here is c dot all, and then I will write that is p dot title as post title. So here post title will be like this one, and after that here I will have to write name, email, content, publish date, status, like this. And what I will do with the comment, so if admin wants, admin can remove the comment from here. So here is comment delete, and there is actually should not be the comment edit, but for now it is okay. I am just putting to show you this. Later I will change it. So refresh, but it will not work because in the sidebar I did not add this. So in the sidebar I am going to add this one, that is the comment. So here I will write comment, and this is comment.php or comment view. If I want, I can write, because I put the name view in other places, so comment view is perfect. So here I write comment view, and all others are not needed here, and here it will be comment view, and this is the comment. So refresh, you see comment, click here, you see the comments are coming here. So pending and approved, you can just give here something like this. If the row of status, so I write, so PHP if row of status equal to pending, then I will make the thing like this, that is the busy warning pending. Otherwise here I will write else if approved, then span, it will be approved, and then I will just end it. So PHP end if. So this is okay, and now I am going to refresh. Yes, so these two comments are pending. So admin can change the status from here. So when the comment will be pending, always he can change the status from here like this, that is anchor and change. So change means he will be able to change the status. So here change the status, I can write it not in the anchor way, I will write it in button. So change is okay, and if I write like this, class equal to btn primary, and this thing you can just call into another tab, that is better, that is status, and this is change. Okay, so if I write like this, it will be into another place, that is change, and here I will call the form post, and it will be into a form, and here the name I will apply here, that is name equal to form change status. So in this way you can change the status, and this is btnsm, and primary is okay. So this is actually what will be changed. The comment ID is needed here, right? So input hidden, here the comment ID is needed. So here I can write comment ID. So comment ID is equal to row of ID, and if you want you can write here also the post ID, that is post ID, and post ID will be here the row of post ID. So these two data will be submitted, or comment ID is okay, comment ID change the status, post ID not needed, because this is already an unique ID will be here. So form change the status, I am going to in the top. So here I will write if, then is set, then I will write that is the post of form status, change the status. So what is the current status, I will have to check. So PHP select, the current status for this comment ID. That means from comments table I am going to get ID equal to which ID? Post of comment ID. So current that is the comment data, right? So comment data, and here I am going to remove it. It is not needed here. So current status equal to comment data of status. So if current status is equal to pending, new status will be approved, otherwise it will be pending. That's good. Update comments with the status equal to new status where ID, that is also good. So comment status changed successfully back to previous page. So my task is done. So let's do that. Refresh. If you want to change the status, you see status is changed successfully, and if you click here you see approved. Also if you click here you see pending. So in this way you can do that. And if you want, you can also send the email to the customers here. I am sure you can do it by yourself, because you can send the notification to the customer, and you see the URL, that is admin.commentView.php. you can add this URL into previous site in the post where I added. Please review the comment. Here you see a new comment has been posted on your blog post, and here instead of showing this one, I can show, you can view the comment by clicking on the link below. It is better. So it will be actually base URL, not base URL. Admin, you will go there by the admin URL, and that will be commentView.php. Others are noted. It is not needed, so I am going to remove it. Here will be like this, and this is the view comment. Comment. It starts from here, anchor. So anchor will be ended where? View comment. I am again going to do that. So request of slug is not needed here, so I remove it, and this for data is not needed. Also this is not needed, and here it will be comment view. Now I think it is okay. So this is the view comment, and everything should work here now. So not base URL, sorry, it will be admin URL, and it is okay. Now if I want to check, refresh, if you click here you see it is changed. Now if in the case of comment view, if you want to send the email to the user, you can do that, because the comment data is in your hand, so you can send the mail. So in the post, how I send the mail, call this into the top. So here call, I do that for you, no problem. And the mail is here, so copy this, and here I will just paste it here, and this is the sending email. When the comment is approved, the mail will be sent to the comment data of email, that means the user's email. So here I will write your comment has been approved, your comment has been approved, post is and here you can see the post, you can see your comment on the post. So post URL is, I am going to give here, that will be the post, but it is into the email message, sorry, it will be into the email message. Your comment on the post has been, here you see the post title has been changed to no, I do not want that, I will write it like this. So email message will be here, your comment has been approved, you can see your comment on this post. So BR, it is okay, and in the email message the post URL, so I will just write here the post anchor, nothing else. So here A is ref equal to base URL post data ID equal to this, but in my post I will need actually the data. I have the post ID, so by the post ID I need to have the post slug. So here PHP select here from the post where ID equal to here is comment data of id. So here is post data, so post data will be here without face wall, so like this. And post data I have in my hand means I can call the post data of slug. So here slug equal to post data of slug here. So view post, and it should work. So now let's check it, but subject is needed, your comment status changed, and now email is this comment data email. So okay, let's check it. So for example, if I want to approve this change, then you see it will be approved. It is approved. And if I now go to here, an email will come, your comment status changed. So Brandon is receiving this data because it is his email address. Your comment is approved. To see your comment, this is the post. Click here. So in this comment in the bottom, the person will be able to see the post. So I hope you understand what I am going to tell you. So this is the post ID. So it is okay. I am again recheck it, where I am going to give the post data. So here id equal to comment data, but not id. Here I made a mistake. Comment data of post id. Comment data of post id. So it was not messing. Now it will mess. So anyway, I am going to again change the data so that I can check it. Brandon, I am going to unpublish his comment. So he will get an email again. So this one, this is the real post data. This one. This was actually the post I worked with. So okay, I hope you have understood. My next task will be to show the comments, and that means the approved comments I will show here. Now my next task is to show the comments on the front end, and in order to show the comments in the front end, I am going to again the comment section, and here you see the comment actually starts from here. The comments total 3, that means it is actually this one, right? So how many comments? This will be shown here. So total comments I will be able to show here, no problem, because I will have to run a loop. That is okay. So this is the thing, and after that the loop will run. That means all the comments will come after that. So comments area starts from here, and what is the main comment and what is the reply, that is important to identify. Comments form was here, that is a separate, complete separate item, and there you see this is the comment area. Actually the comment area starts from here, and in the comment area, this is the total comment area, and what will be in the loop, that means the comment item. The comment item you see actually starts here. This is one comment item, this is another comment item, something like that. So comment item is this one, this will be into a loop, because into each comment item there is some replies. For example, after the comment is okay, comments replied, so this is another one. So this will be repeated multiple times if there are multiple replies, but the main comment section is actually here, and repeated items is here. So the repeated items that are coming here, it is not needed for me now, so I can remove this one, and this is the main comment item. So what I can do is PHP, here I can write PHP select, so from the comments, and I am into a particular post. So here I am going to write where the post ID equal to what. Post ID equal to, here I can write that is which one, post data of ID, it can be here, and then it will be all comments, and for is here it will be all comments as row, and all comments data I am going to put here. So two types of thing. So I can just cut this from here, and where it is ended, that means here I can paste it, so it is better. Sorry. So I am going to work with this way. So here is div. The div should be into on tab. I am going to use here. That means from here to here. So like this. So it is better to use in this way. Okay. So now if I refresh, you will see one reply is under is one because I have two comments, but I will just have to use where post I did this and status must be approved. So status equal to what? Here I will have to write that is the approved. So this is very important here. Now you will see only one item because I have only one approved item here. So I hope you have understood this one. So I am going to show the photo of the person, but I will work with that later. This is the main comment is okay. So comment main content. So replies will be into another loop here. So this is actually the reply section, right? So this one, this can be repeated. One reply, second reply, etc. It will come here. But for now, for the comment, it will be echo, that is row of name here. So the person name I am going to write here like this, and after that there will be a date. That means here I can write the publish date into this format, and content will be here. So here it will be content. And here NL to BR because this can be multi-line, so I use like this. And reply is another thing, I will work with that later. But and in the case of reply, there will be no reply icon. The reply icon will only be under the comment, but not here. So refresh it, you see the real data is coming Peter, but this is sample data and here is no reply. You can only reply the first comment. So this is okay. Now I am going to work here. I am going to make both the comment as approved. So I approve the next one. So it will be approved here. You see it is approved. So user will be able to see the new comment status here. View post, yes. So it is approved. Now I am going to check it. You see first one is Peter. Second one is Brendan, and date is also working, and post data is also working. The photo is now my next thing. So you see this is the photo. I am going to apply a trick here, that is the gravatar photo. So if I use the chat GPT, this is comment section photo. This is my comment section photo. I want to apply gravatar photo here. So if you want to use like this, you see, in order to use the gravatar, you can use in this way. That is, you have the email address, you know. So what is my email address? I can use the gravatar in this way. So copy this. And here for example I am going to use the gravatar here. So this code is under PHP, so I write the PHP, and the gravatar is the last one. So no matter it is gravatar or other, so I am going to remove this photo. So let's do that. So it is in this way, not email is okay. Replace with the actual user's email. I do not need to have the comments, so I am going to remove it. And default equal to MP. Okay, can be MP, identification, etc. I am going to check which one is working here. So this is my code. This email I will have to call here now, that is row of email. So now let's do that. Refresh, you see the gravatar photo has been loaded, but for this email address that I am going to use, there is no gravatar photo. What is sample email address, you can do that also. I want to get some sample gravatar emails where there is photo, and it will be example.com. I am going to check anything example.com, support@gravatar.com, at user in many docs, no image by default. Here you can use something like that. So you will get just followable blank image even you have managed test in your code. So they are asking to have that code, but okay, this is a public email address, I can use it without any issue. So the next comment, for example, is given by the Matt. This is I am going to give some sample comment. Generate sample comment. No, it actually do not understand my thing. This article was very informative. Okay, this can be here. Thanks for sharing. Submit it. So admin will now receive the email, right? So when it will be published, okay, so admin will receive an email here, new comment notification. If you click here, it will take the admin to the admin panel. Okay, so now the comment will not be shown here, but and one thing I will check with it, that is 03 is the total number of comment. So here one thing you can apply, that is this code that is in the comments area, all comments with that total. So I can do it before here. That means in this case here I can use it just to get all the comments. So that means the total comments. So the total comments I can put here into here. So you will see that the total comments 2. Okay, because there are total 2 comments. When admin will approve the third one that comes here, change, that means admin is going to approve it. You see it is approved. Now if you refresh, you will see total comments 3. So it is the third one, but still there is no gravatar photo here, though they tell me here is the gravatar photo, but I see there is no gravatar photo. Give me some sample emails that have gravatar photos. Now let's check it if there is any sample email. Here you see gravatar support tonyautomatic.com. If I now copy this and edit this into my comment here, that means here I use the Tony at the rate of this, refresh. No, it is not loading the gravatar photo, but they tell me something more, support at the rate of gravatar.com. So if I use that on here, and now if I reload, yes, it is actually getting the on photo, that is support at the rate of gravatar.com. So this email address that is given here, it has a gravatar photo, so it is coming here. But if there is no gravatar, that will not come here, remember it. The publishable press gmail.com. okay, no Gmail. Do not use example for real. Photographer will return only default fallback image. There is, you see that default fallback has another one, that is identicon. For example, I want to use instead of MP, that is identicon. So what will be the default photos here in that case? Like this, you see now it is coming. For each comment, a separate random sample photo will be loaded. Okay, so if you wrote, you see first one is this, second one is this, where there is no photo. Instead of showing the man face, it is showing this as a sample photo. There are more system here. For example, here I am going to reload it now. You see now it is coming in this way, cartoon system. You can use also another one, that is here W avatar. So here if I refresh, you see for first one coming this, for second one coming this. So you can also show in this way, retro and for here if I use this one, then you will see the comments like this, Peter, Brandon, this type of comments will come. And here is another one, that is etc is actually there, but okay, it is not actually my thing to work with. It is okay, as this has the gravatar, it is coming, this icon was in the email and other has this, so it is showing. So I hope you understand how to show all the comments here, and under each comment there is a reply section, and I will show you how to work with the reply section, because each comment here will have a reply. If you want to show the reply section in the case of admin panel in the comment view, you can give here anything. For example, the content is there, content, and where here I can put the reply under the post or under the comment. The content is actually here, so if you want you can apply the reply here. So this is reply. So here I can call class equal to form, class equal to btn primary and btn sm, or here I can use the success. So like this, already here is this color used, so here I use a separate color, warning. So this is better. Okay, so this is the reply, and here before applying this you can use a beer. So you can give it here or into any other place. So in order to check all the replies, you can just go here. So all reply must will be also approved like the comment. So I will show you that also, no problem, because this comment must have a reply. Now I am going to work with the reply section and how to work with that. You see there is a reply here, but before going there I will have to post the reply. You see there is a reply here in this way. So I am now going to the post.php and I will work with the reply. So what I will do, I am going to check the reply here. That can be this one, it is okay, but there is a button for reply and I am into a loop. So which comment he is going to reply and in which comment and which post, that is already in my hand. I have a button, but not type button. Here I am going to use button type, not button, it will be submit. Okay, and here I will write a form. For example, here is form post, and I am creating here a form, and button will be inside the form. So if I now refresh, yes, it is okay, no issue. And now what will happen, if a person click on the reply, then what will happen, if a person click on the reply, then there will be a pop-up. So if I reply, then there will be a pop-up and there will be a box similar to this, where the person will give his name, email and comment and reply. So in each reply there will be a pop-up, that is okay. So reply is here, so I will write a pop-up here. So I am going to back the form, not here. I am going to use the button type button. Here is reply as a button here. So inspect, yes, this is the button. Okay, if I now want to use this modal, the bootstrap modal is this. So in this way I am going to call this data bs toggle and data bs target here. So just apply, in this case this is, so here is reply modal, and here I am going to put php echo I to make it unique. So here I will write I equal to 0, and here I am going to increment the I like this. So here it is the reply modal, and the modal content I will have to write, for example here. So copy and paste it under the button, so like this. So it is here, and inside quotes will be here, this will be here, this will be here like this. So okay, so it should work like this. And in the case of modal, here I am going to write the reply. The modal footer is not needed in my case. It will be something like that. Title is okay, and here the form I will use the form here, form post, and here this is the form, and here I will write that is refresh the page first, click here, and here the reply is not working because example modal will not be here. It will be reply modal of full set here. So it will be like this one. So refresh. Now if I click here, you see this is the reply. So if you click here, so reply. So no problem. Now I am going to work with the reply. So content will be here, that is name, email, etc. So MB2, and here you can use the label is name. So first one is input type text, class equal to form control, and this one. So this is the first item. Second item is email. So here name equal to name in the case of here, and here name equal to email. And after that there will be another one, that is the text area, and this will be content or comment. And here content is okay, and in the bottom there will be a post ID where I am going to reply. No parent ID is needed. I will just pass it into hidden field that I am going to write just opening the form. After opening the form, this is the post ID. So post ID is okay, and also I will write here the comment ID. Comment ID will be row of ID. Here is row, so row of ID is comment ID, and post ID data is the post ID. So post ID and comment ID. And here I will write the button, that will be submit, and here name of the button will be form reply. So I am going to write it to form reply. So refresh it. If I click on reply, you see name, email, comment, and then you will have to click on submit. And after the submit, where it will go, I am going to the top, and like the post of form comment, here similar thing will be happen. So I copy this and paste it here, but here the form name will be form reply. And here name, email, content is okay, current date, insert into replies, and here another on next item will be comment ID, and all others will be similar. And here post data of ID equal to post ID, or here you can also write the post of post ID that comes here, and also here write that is the post of comment ID, here comment ID. So in this way you can also show the data. And a new comment has been posted, a new replies has been posted, a new reply have been posted, has been posted on your blog post. So it is okay. You can view the reply by clicking on the link below. So instead of comment view, here you can write here the reply view like this. So it depends how you want to check it with, or in using the same page. I am not going to change the page now it is okay. View reply, and what is the reply date, time, etc. information I give to the admin so that he can make a decision here. Okay. So the comment here, it is okay, has been posted, this one is okay, and this is the admin data. Email, new reply notification, your reply has been submitted successfully, is awaiting approval, and it will take the user back to the same page. So for example, I am into the comments here. all are under the post ID 5 and comment ID 1, 2, 3. So under Brandon, if I give any comment, that means it is under which under comment ID 2. So it will be added here in the replace table. So here I am going to check what he told. Awesome post, this is very nice practical post, I will follow this. And here I am going to write, for example, test user @example.com, and here I can write the test user 1, and here I am sorry, it is the email, so here email address this, and it is test user 1. I agree, I agreed to you, this is helpful, and this post is super helpful, for example, something like that. Click on submit, you will see it is going to be submitted. Just wait for some times. Yes, reply is posted, but the reply will not be shown here. I am going to the replies table. You see post ID 5 is okay like this. Also comment ID 2, I told you it is under comment ID 2, and all these are here, but status is pending. If you see here, if you refresh here, you will see the reply. If you want to see the reply under this post, then what will happen? That means who actually replied. Admin is going to get the email. So here new reply notification. Okay, admin is going to get it. So from here admin will be able to see that the reply comment is actually here. But if you want, you can give a clue to the admin, so which is the post or something, so that admin can easily understand where to click. Because if he comes here, this is nothing, there is no reply here, all these are actually the comments. So how he will be able to find this? So there is a way that the last one, the reply that is posted, that will show here last. That means comment view. Here you can just make an order by, for example, order by c.id desc. So if you write like this, so refresh, you always the last one will be top. So from here he can see the reply and then he can approve it. So this is another way. So for now it is okay, and I hope you see this and understand that reply will come here in the front end, but I will have to fix the back end first. So how I can see all the replies of this content? For this I am going to maintain a thing here, that is, if a person click on the reply, for example here, where is the reply? Not here, it is actually reply. So reply means here is the reply. So if you click on this button, it is JavaScript void, for example, and here I will apply another toggle that I applied into the post. You see here is a modal I called here, and similarly like the modal that I called, I will call the same thing, copy it, and in the comment here paste it. So it is the reply modal, it is okay, and I equal to 0, I plus plus is okay. Now from here the modal content I am going to copy from here, and into here the reply I am going to paste it here in this location. So this will be reply modal, so it will be reply modal already given. Okay, so the reply, all replies will be shown here, for example. So the admin will be able to see all the replies here, and the replies, how he will be able to see all the replies here, just run another extra query here. So PHP select, instead of a statement I will call here statement 1 in all cases. Okay, so something like that, and then it is a statement 1. Row count is not needed, or if you want you can show there is no replies or something like that. Here this will be the replies. Select all from which table? Replies table. So replies table, where you are into the comments. So under the particular comment I can show all the data. So comment ID equal to here row of ID. So this is the thing, and then result on here, for example, it will be result on, otherwise there will be a conflict. So result on as row on. Now here I am going to show that is the reply. So first one is item, so reply number will be here first. So reply number what? Reply number here PHP echo j. For example, the variable will come j plus plus, and initially I am going to write j equal to 0. So here when the reply of j, so this is the thing, then I am going to give the name. So name equal to this, br email, then content, then publish date. Okay, and then the next one is status. So next one I am going to give status. Status is what? Row 1 of status. So let's check it first. There is no reply. Here you see on reply number 1. So here you can bold this strong, so something like that. So it is strong. So I am going to write here the strong. So you see here is no reply, here is on reply, and if I give another reply here, it is also possible. And status is pending or approved. If pending, then write here a color. For example, the status equal to this, but here I apply something that is if condition. So if the row 1 of status equal pending, then it will be shown here, but here I am going to give a div, or here I can give a span is also okay, but here class equal to, here it will be text danger, and here I will write an else if status approved, then it will be text success, that is okay, end if. So now let's refresh it again. Go here, you see the status is pending. So if you want, you can change the status from here. So for that I am going to write something just after the status. So what can I write here? That is change. So if a person try to change the status, what will happen? So not like this. I am going to use here button type, button type equal to submit, and here it is okay. So name equal to form change status, but form change status already given here. So what I will write here, that is form change status change reply status. So form change reply status, and here I will have to write the form post, and here I am going to write this one. So here like this one, and I am going to change the status for which one? So reply ID. So input hidden reply ID equal to this, that is okay. Form change reply status, that means here I am going to copy this thing from here, and it will be form change reply status. So from the replies here, what the current status is showing here. So from the replies table, where ID equal to which one, that is the reply ID. So I am going to get the reply data here, and so reply data of a status is equal to current status. So if I am going to set the new status, then I am going to update the replies table where status equal to this, where ID equal to this one, that means the reply ID. And here from the post I am going to show what is here, that is reply for which post is this, and where the reply data. So reply data post id. So from the post table I am going to get where reply data equal to post id. That is okay. So post data of this, your reply has been approved. Yes, reply on this post. So here, and it will be reply data of email who replied, your reply status changed. So here reply status changed. So comment view page, he will back. Okay, so now let's do that. If the admin approve it, for example this reply, if he wants to change, here is no style, so I can apply a normal style here, that is button type submit. Here class equal to I can write here btn warning sm. That is okay. So refresh it, go here, change. So if I click on change, it should be approved. So email is sent, and if I go here, you see status approved. And here in the reply, if I go, you see status is approved. And all approved status will be shown in the front end now. So here is the front end codes, all the comments here. So reply actually starts from where? Comment replied. So this one, right? So here I am going to get all the replies. So PHP select, here is for example the statement 1, so like this, and here result 1 and total 1, everything will be 1 here. Select all from replies, where which id, where comment id is the particular comment where I am, so it will be row of id. And now here will be result, this one. So I am going to put this thing, and here it will be the item. So paste it. So all the replies will come here like this one. So here reply will be this. So if I now refresh, you see this post has no reply, it has no reply, but this had a reply, so it is showing here. Now I will show the data, that means the name. So PHP echo row 1 of name. So similarly it will be date of row 1 of created at, and here the comment will be enabled to be a row 1 of content. That is okay. And the photo will be similar to here what I did in the case of this. So this will be the photo, so copy this, and here in my case I am going to paste it. So the reply here will be row 1 of email 1, default on is this, it is the default on, and size on, everything I just give on, grab URL on, here is email on, and here is size on, default on, and grab URL 1. So if these things happens, it is not needed, remove it. So you see test user undefined array key created at, so where is created at? It is the publish date. So you see I am agreed to you, this post is super helpful, you already know this was my post. So from this Matt, the article was very informative, thanks for sharing. Here I am going to give, for example, Patrick. So Patrick at the top example.com, yes, agreed. So if I just click on submit, and you will see first time it will not show here, you see yes, agreed. Why showing here? Because I did not apply the condition where comment ID this and status equal to it must be approved. So here I will have to write approved. Now if you refresh, you see that is not showing, but in the admin, when admin will go to approve this, for example under this, and this was the last one, okay, so admin is going to approve it. So it is successful, and you see yes, agreed. Now I am going to work with the newsletter subscription option. Here you see in the home page bottom there is a newsletter, and this section, that is the subscribe to our newsletter. So you can just give your email address and then check it if this email exists or not. If not, then it will be entered, and your email address will be entered as the subscriber. So you will be into the subscriber list, and then the admin will be able to export all the subscribers from the admin panel, and then he can use any email sending tools and import all the list into there and send the email to all his subscribers. So this is the system. Now I am going to check it. I am going to close all the things for now. So I am going to the front end and home page. So subscriber option is into the bottom, so I am going into the bottom section, and this is the subscriber option. So here you see this is the image, it is okay. Form is given here, so I will work with the form. So here I am going to write method post, and in the case of subscriber, type etc given. Here I will give the email name equal to email, and then there will be button type submit, and here name equal to I am going to give form newsletter. So it is okay. So form newsletter, I am going to apply that here in the top. So PHP here, if is set, then post of here it will be form newsletter. Then what will happen? So when I will check it, I am going to follow it, for example. So just copy the try catch block from here, and I am now going paste it here. In the form subscriber, I will first check if the email address that you are going to give empty or not. So if the post of email equal to empty, email address is required. If it is invalid, then it will take it. And now from the subscribers, I am going to check the email if it exists or not. Though I did not create the table yet, but I will do that now, no problem. So in this way it will work. So I am going to remove it, and I am going to create the table now from here. So let's go to check my table here, subscribers table. I am going to get here. So number of columns, how many? So here it will be ID, email, and status. And in order to verify the status, it is token is needed. So ID, then there will be email, and then token, and then there will be a status. So a status is pending or approved. So I am going to get here the 20, and auto increment field will be this. Email is 255, token is for example 255. Token can be empty, so nullable, and it is okay. So click on save button, and this is the subscribers table. So I am going to check everything from here, and if everything is okay, then insert into subscribers. Here there will be email, token, and a status. So total 3 items. So here I add the 3 items here. Then a statement of execute, that means a statement execute will be, first one is email is post of email is okay. For the token, randomly you can take the data. I can use here 10. Here randomly I can get the data like this, so it is okay. And the status here it is not needed. So here I am going to give the status that is active. So a status will be here, actually first time not active, it will be pending. So this is okay, and I hope it will work. And then it will tell you, thank you for subscribing our newsletter, please check your email to confirm the subscription. And then it will take you back to the index page. I am into the index page, so I am going to write index page. So it is okay. Now I will check the thing from here. So let's do that. and also email will be sent to the subscriber email. That is also important here. So thank you, and after that the email will work here. I am going to copy from the forget password this one, copy, and in the index in the top I am going to paste it. It is needed, and email sending code is here, so I am going to copy the data, and here in the case of subscriber I paste it here. So here will be email message equal to thank you for subscribing our newsletter, please click on the following link to confirm your subscription. So link will be something like that. I am going to write here subscription verify on .php question email equal to this, and here I will write another thing, that is the token. So token equal to this, and so token equal to what, this will be I add here, and email equal to this. So token will be, for example, the previous one that I am going to generate here, that will be my token. So the same data I will have to send into the email. So I write the token here. So the same variable I write here, and here also the same variable I am going to write in this case. So it will be like this, token equal to this, and here email equal to this one. So post of email. So confirm subscription will be here. So if everything is okay here, then I am going to send the email to here, and it is the subscription verify or confirm your subscription. Okay, so it should work. Now let's do that. I am now going here, refresh, you see test email 1 at the rate of example.com. For example, this is test email 1 like this. So this is the email 1, and click here, you will see it is going to be inserted. So data in the database table, you see it is coming, token is this, status is pending, and here he will receive an email. So you will see the last email is this. So if he clicks here, it will come here, but I do not have any page by this name yet, but I will work with that. But I hope you have understood how I have sent the email, and it is coming here. Now I am going to verify the subscriber. In order to verify subscriber, you see I added a link here, so I will have to create a page in the front end by this name, that is subscription verify. So now I am going to call the header, and then I am going to verify the subscriber. So in order to verify the subscriber, you see they suggest me some code. I am going to check if it is okay or not. So first of all, if it said this one token and email, then it is okay. Else I can send the user session error message invalid request, and then I can send him back to the index.php. It is okay. And here you see token equal to this, email equal to this. From the subscribers table I will check. If I get this, then I will update the subscriber status will be active like this, and email where email equal to this, where email equal to this, and token equal to this, you can add this. So here I will add the token. Your subscription has been confirmed, your invalid subscription confirmation link. So after that I will send the user to here. So it is okay. Now let's check the thing. So if I now copy this link, if I give any invalid token, for example I add extra characters here, you see invalid subscription link. Okay, so it will not work. But now if I click here, you see subscription has been confirmed. So after working with this one time, if you now again click, it is showing the confirmed, but if you want you can stop that also. So it depends actually. So now I am going to the subscriber, you see status active, but token is not empty. So here status this and token equal to this. So I can here make that token empty. So it will be better. Now if you click here, it is okay. Now if I go to subscriber, you see now token is empty. So when token is empty, then the invalid subscription confirmation link, that means you will not be able to use this link anymore. So you will only be able to use this link only one time, not more than one time. So okay, so subscriber is confirmed, and I hope you understand how to complete the subscriber confirmation system. Now I am going to add another person as a subscriber, so it can be test email 2. If this email already exists, for example, then it will tell you the email already subscribed, so you must have to give a separate email. It can be 2. So I am going to click here, you will see it will come here and it is pending now. And now if I go to the email, you will see the new email will come here. So go to reload this, here is the new email. So click here, again it is subscribed. So you see 2 valid subscribers are here. And I am going to show one invalid subscriber I will add. I will not verify him, that is this one, for example, the test email 3. So email will come and here it added, but I will not make him, I will not make him active. He will be pending, because I will check in the admin panel and show only the active subscriber. So in order to show you that, I will intentionally keep this 3rd email as pending. Now I want to show all the subscribers in the backend. So I am going to the admin panel. I am going to open the admin, and here I am going to create subscriber view.php. So something like that. So all the subscriber I will show here. So area view, I am going to copy and paste it here. Now I am going to create here, that is the subscribers. I am going to write it here, subscribers, and this is not needed. I am going to remove it. And this is the subscriber email I will have to write. And if you want, you can show the inactive subscriber, or you can see only the active subscriber. It actually depends how you want to add to see that. It actually depends. So what I will do, I will show everything. Okay, and now select all from subscribers, and here I will show the email, and here is, for example, the status. So here I am going to add another extra field, that is the status. And the status, if you want, you can show as a condition. So if you can use, that is if row of status, if this status equal to active or pending. So if pending, then you can show this, otherwise this, but it will be busy, and here it will be busy also. So now let's do that. But here I did not create any link with the sidebar. So in the sidebar I am going to add this link. So it will be subscriber view, and subscriber view will be this subscriber. Now I am going to refresh. Subscriber is this, you see this one is active and this is the pending. So you can show in this way. And the pending you can show by red color. That means here if you want, you can put here the red color means danger. So refresh, yes, active and pending subscriber you can see. And in the top, the link that I removed, I am going to bring it back, because I will add an extra thing here, that is the export link. So here call in the top, and it is a subscriber export. So when a person will click on this link, the subscribers will be exported as CSV. So export as CSV. So you can use this type of icon, or here if you want, you can use the font awesome icon, font awesome 5 icon, download. download or something like that. So here, what is the icon? I am going to check, and here it will be download icon, free icon, this one. So I can just copy this one here and paste it here. Now if I come here, refresh, you see the icon is like this. So it is better, and there will be no edit option, and instead of edit option I am going to remove. Delete is okay. For example, subscribe or delete. If you want, you can delete it, and if you want, you can create a separate page, that is subscriber delete.php. So in the admin, subscriber delete.php, you can delete it from here. So like other items, that is the delete of area delete. So I'm going to copy this and here going to paste it. So select all from subscribers, where this one I am going to check if it is valid or not, and then from the subscribers table I am going to delete the data. So subscriber has been deleted successfully. So if I want to delete this one, you see it is deleted. So from the table of the subscribers it is also deleted. So I again apply that, for example like this. So it will be 3 and then add here. Then this item again added here. I will not verify it, so it will come here again. So next task is to work with the export. Now if a person want to click here, what will happen? I will show you that here. If a person click here, that is the subscriber export. So I will have to create a page by this name, that is subscriber export.php into the admin. That is like this, and here I will work. So like the other pages, copy this in the top, and then I am just going to work with the next thing. I am going to close it. Now I am going to check it. You see there is a help file in my case, that is help general. Here is the subscriber export functionality. So I am going to copy this, and here I am going to paste it. So here select all from subscribers where status equal to active, then I will get the result. That result as row f put csv, that means in a file that will be a csv file, and I have to run the command, that is header, and then header content this, and my file name will be file name equal to subscribers underscore the current time.csv. Output will be f open, in this format the file will be open, and f put csv, that means in the file I will write the data, that is the heading. First one is f put csv, first data is ID and email, and all other data will come from here from the database. So this is the thing. Instead of row of ID, if you want, you can also call the I equal to 1 as a serial number, you can also show that. So now let's do that. If I now refresh, if I click here, you will see subscriber is saved here. If I open it, all the things are going to be opened because I call the layout top. So instead of running this, I will do another thing, not like that. You see in the layouts top, all the data was here. So I will call only the config here. Actually from database I will need something to work. So here in the top I am going to use it like this. So config file I will call, otherwise this one will not work, and there is no session variable is needed in this case. So again click here, you see another one comes here, csv, open it, yes, now it looks better. So ID and email, and this is the first data and this is the second data. So the csv is working fine here now. So I hope you understand how I have worked with the subscribers. Now after exporting the subscriber, you can go to any email sending tools online, you can, and there you can create free account or you can create paid account, and then you will have to import this subscriber list there. That means you will export from your website, and then you will import into the email sending tools online, and then you can send the emails to the subscribers.